Hey guys, it's Diamond, and today I want to show you guys the new options in my shop. Or sorry, not new options. I just want to tell you the new Hobo wigs and with the inside pocket, and you can have the more you can get more options there, like this one. And this is the Hobo wig size, and in the brownie leather, and with a front pocket in the old board here, and choose the button closures here, and we can see the inside. Okay, inside is a victory pocket inside to instead the 3 card slots here and the 2 card slots here. Yes, just different style with the regular Hobo wigs in my shop. And because there are so many options in my shops, so now I will add only the leather, the Hobo wig size leather option in my shop. And you can just like before you going to purchase the Hobo wigs, and that is already a set for the Hobo wigs with the 3 cards and 2 cards in each side. And now I will add one more options in my shop when you choosing the leather size, and it will going to have the Hobo wig size into the size options. So if you are looking for the Hobo wig size, and also if you like the regular Hobo wigs pocket in my shop, you can just go get it, and the price is $72. And the other one is the one side with two card slots, and the other side with 8 V pocket. Yes, I know you guys must know what I'm talking about the pocket I have in my shop, and that one is cost $91. And I was wondering to just make an order in this style of the Hobo wigs, but Wayne just say maybe she can just only add one elastic covers size in there, and you guys can just go get the size, and you can go choose the pocket you want. Maybe just like this one, like this victory pocket, and maybe you want to take off one side and to instead the V pocket here, or keep one side in the victory pocket and the other side with the 3 or 2 card slots here. So it be more active to you choosing the letters here. So here I just want to tell you guys, this is the new one design, and this is in the victory. And because I know some of you didn't see these options in my shop, and you didn't know we have this design in my shop too. So I just want to refresh you guys, and you can just go get it. And if you like the victory pocket in your Hobo wigs, and now it's available there. Okay, so this is the Hobo wigs in the victory edition pocket. Okay, so wish you guys will love the video today, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.